Blast, I don't know, so yo, this is Negus speaking. See me, welcome to another episode. And we're there, I wanna talk to me, I listen. You understand when I say yo, go watch Arjay video. The first time ever taking a video for Arjay. And him respond to Kyng tavii. You see me? As me say me in a bag of long talking, you know the review them, but I go straight into the review them. You see me? So here we go now, you understand?
He's an idiot, Arjay, and you can't come back over that side. Sorry.
Arjay, calm down. You can't find another friend.
I don't want no more friend. The man did not blow breath in my body up.
It don't that serious, Arjay.
The man did not feed me. Him did not pay my rent. Him did not do everything. I'm like a fan somebody else like that.
He's an idiot, Arjay, and you can't come back over that side. Sorry.
You can just calm down. You know that's it. I am Tavii. I am Tavii Zoe. Tavii Zoe. You are me now, okay? Don't cry. I said, Jesus. Calm down now. It's alright, man. You will find our next friend, man. Friend come and friend go.
No, man. God say no all the time. I don't want no more friend. I'm even bother one ball. Because this, that one I just told. Hey.
Jay, and you can't come back over that side. Sorry.
Tavii, take me back, please. That you want me say, youth? Yeah, me and some people. They don't need to boy Arjay, LOL. Me what him say him again?
Arjay, are the first man will style me.
No, man. You can run for that one, yeah. Because this too strong. this dead ass too strong. I forgot wash down this. Oh, I'm gonna find somebody else like Tavii. The man do so much shit to me. Yeah, man, say you move your bumper clad for instance and watch it. Yeah, man, some people that don't need to boy Arjay, LOL. Zane. As you all may know, I have my ratchet for my waist over here, sir. I have my Glock 19 for my belly over here, sir. I have my half a lass of slung on them cheese tricks. Yo! Yeah, man, so the people that don't know Tavii's over there in the place. Zane?
Gang.
So,
You guys, I'm just here for moral support.
moral
okay?
support. Yeah, man, you don't know you're ready for strike. So, when you see by the title, when you know what I'm going to talk about, when you know why I'm there, I'm not going to talk too long. I'm not going to talk too long. The video even going to be long. I don't know how long the video is going to be. See? So, I see the whole, the people are DM me, I say some shit. People are share some YouTube video in my inbox. People are tag me on some shit. And I say, but I say I'm not going to comment on none of that shit because as like we squash it, we no media, we not comment in our posts, see, I just watch. So I'm worried upon clear up this shit so I can get back to doing me and doing us. See, because I'm not going to make nothing come try to stress me out. Is my deal?
Yeah, well, wait.
So,
Wait.
Kyng tavii, we basically see what I'm going. This nigga calling up my name, but I sell him out, I switch link. And somehow like he that don't believe that, but as I said, there's always two sides to a story. Now man, I'm taking a little bit more like a cause big man think that you can come the fuck out.
Oh my God, ready, bro?
Man, hey, no man, you really a bumble like a Campari war.
Yo, it's crazy.
So, more of what's going on. I'm telling you what exactly happened, people. So let's start with what the first thing he said.
From me stepping in the bus, they even Arjay damaged me, brother. That's why I did even deal with him in the confessions, them how I deal with him.
Hold on. Wait, this nigga basically has said him a pre-me from since him come on the bus and never say hey. No, wait, hold on there. Hi Tavii. Hi. How was it there? And that's the one with the youth? You talk about from your compound bus and I never said nothing at all to you? The fuck? Okay, let's adjust that first. People, first things first, before 876 start, Tavii text my phone on FaceTime and say, yo, watching an Arjay. You see, this is what I think that the kind of make me look on my way, but he never phased me during the show. He must say, the way how me and him flex and talk to each other, him now want for you to do that on the show. So I say, sir, why you want to make sure we are going on some other man, you want to change how me and you flex? Like, really, brother? He must say, I just sub in the case. So I say, alright then, cool. Then, the man send me a next text. Big man think Arjay, we are a friend, but Panda show that you're my enemy. I'm going to kick up your bumbo clad. Zine, me take that as a joke, right? Me take that as a joke. But I know so by the end of the day, I know him a pre. Like, him not 2 minutes in a serious way, but him a go move kind of wide from me.
Alright, go pause that real quick. Jesus Christ. Man, take a whole 5 minutes for getting another story, but anyway. So I'll go on and now. What would have make this even more believable is if they actually show the text. You see me? Me want to see the text. Me want to see the text. Reason why I want to see the text is because that would have make everybody believe you more. Me I hear you say, but me don't know if I believe. As me I say, we like evidence, we like proof. You see me I say, RJ, so maybe if you're gonna make a next video, or maybe just drop it on your Instagram or something, drop the text where Tavi say, yo, you see me? So we can say, all right then, we can see where it has stemmed from. Because if Tavi actually did that, if Tavi actually sent you that text, what have I been talking about all this time? In the last video that I make. The youth seem troubled. So if you are going to text your friend and tell your friend, say, yo, when the competition starts, we're not going to be friending or whatever. I'm thinking of madness. If my friend ever texts me that in one competition, brother, me not want to deal with you, brother. Me not want to deal with you. None at all. Because, yeah, we can compete, in our friendly way. We can go somewhere and compete and then go back to bridging. But before the competition starts, you got to text me and tell me, say, yo, no, brother. I don't like that. Me personally, I don't like that. And me I tell you, if any one of my friends them ever text me something like that, we're done. Why would you text me that? But RJ, what me I said to your brother, you should have showed the text message so we can actually believe that. We just go by your word. So we'll continue the video now.
As you saw per episode 1, the whole away, including my 3-star right here, the whole away there per Aspen, Zane, the whole time this brother I call my phone and I ask me, RJ, how far I reach? The bus leave yet? When they depend on nowhere yet, you call me and ask me question. So, alright, yeah, you call me and I ask my question and I say, and me I tell you how far the bus reach, me I tell you which part reach. We'll pick you up in our X place. You're coming on the bus. Me not even see when you're coming on the bus, bro, God. Me, my head turns so I talk to she. Because me still inside a sheep on the bus.
Pause that real quick. I talk to she. Mama, how much snacks you have over there, so mama? I was about 5 cheat tricks bags me see a while ago. Damn. Your finger them yellow on the bum buckler. Mama over there enjoy. Mama over there enjoy about 50 bag of cheese tricks to bum buck. I continue.
You come on the bus, my uncle say, when me hear your mouth go loud, yeah, man them. You got the back. After that, now, that was basically exhibit 1. When the show just started, me and this brother are good. We go up on the set team. So, accordingly, he never said this in another video there where he posts. Tavi, the main reason why Tavi are pre-me, and she can vouch for me too, but I not bring her in a mix up. Not even mix up, because I'm a girl. I have a pussy and I not deal with hermaphrodite. Zane, I not deal with hermaphrodite.
Alright, yeah, go skip the one of them full talk, brother. Check her in the business, brother. Cause I'm watching video and she have a lot to say in the video. So nobody say, oh, I'm not bring her in. She's in it, bro. She's in it. You see me? Nothing wrong, because me would want to have somebody for vouch for me too. But let's just keep all them talking about oh man, a pussy. We know, bro. Let's just get to the meat of the matter. Let's continue.
You can't act like you have a pussy and get in your feelings and I act like a man when you're ready. And I put, yo, you may say, brother, I'm going to deal with them things, brother. Zane, this man, I say, the said thing where him say me enough to do, the way I mean enough to talk to him on the show, I talk to him on the show just like how me and him normally flex. And him must say, from that, him write me off from the show, him now deal back with me. And him come to she, I said the exact same thing, cause me never know that, you know. I just saw this nigga moving sideways. Me head up and said to him, you know, talk to me. When we walk up and down in the 876 house, you not respond to me, you not talk to me. And one time I try to talk to you like everybody that will a reason, and I pick up for something where I say. And me hear you say something about stop follow me up now you. And that him saying to people, the man say, yo, stop follow me up now you, stop follow me up now. Me never take it serious, because I know say Tavi just naturally crazy sometimes and then just naturally like say fuck it. But Tavi got back to she and say him didn't mean it, as in legit, him never want to deal with him. Some say, okays. Alright, sir. That's how you put it. Alright, I'm gonna keep my distance then. That's why the main reason why Tavii vex with me. Second thing when did say, let me hear.
Arjay, the youth there, him fucking left the link here, gone over next link and make the man them style him.
Me find a next link? Me find a next link? People, if you not used to one bag of people and them should be in our room with 4 man for go on easy. As you can see in episode 1, the whole of man them in one room. If me not talk up to a man and the whole of we I got in our room for basically 2 weeks and hard, why me I go keep my distance from a man? Why me I go keep my distance from a man? Why me I go not talk to you?
I pause that real quick. If that text the way him said Tavii sent him is true, Tavii, what you expect, brother? What you expect? If you did send the man, this is if, you know. Because someone in a hear me saying that about, oh man, pick side already. Let me tell you something. I don't know Tavii. And let me tell you this. I don't need no man. I don't need to work with no man. You know much bumbuckler comedian live in Atlanta. You see me run behind none of them. I'm cool with them, but you see me run behind none of them. Oh, pick side. I don't need no bumbuckler body. Just tell me say you don't like how I say about your favorite comedian and that's it. But oh dog, you pick side. I don't give a fuck about none of these niggas. But anyway, as me I said, Tavii said the man got to boom and gone for the next link, brother. Arjay said that you sent him a text before the game start and tell him and say, yo, brother, we not gonna deal like how we used to deal. You know, when a competition time, you kick off your face and rare. Brother, if you send me a text like that, brother, you're not, brother, me, knowing me, I might come to you and say, bro, like, what that text I did mean, brother? Like, ray, like, you know what I'm saying? But if you send the man a text like that and the man a move wide, bro, him have all right to move wide, bro. You understand? Me not gonna run up in another man and a man tell me, say, oh, yo, brother, we're not gonna flex like how we used to flex it in the competition and that. Bro, I'm not gonna deal with it, bro. Because a lot of madness. But we will continue.
Because I'm looking at your face the next 2 weeks, but basically 9 hours of the day. So why am I gonna keep my distance from you?
But naturally, whenever in the 876 room, like, you're the more with a par with Tavii because you're not used to the other people him.
Yeah, but I'm most likely par with Tavii.
Because outside of the room, we do video. Me, Tavii, and him do video together. So, like, you the more, say, Arjay and Tavii would you get me, have good energy, but that wasn't the case.
That makes sense.
Every man, hear me say, it's not about good energy. You say, look at me and say, we're all for self. Zane, we're all for self on this.
Him did say that?
Yeah?
Him did say that?
I let him text me and tell me that people. He text me and say, watching RJ, we are friends, but when the competition start, me I kick you in your face. We don't say
yo, we should have showed the text. More want to see the text. We want to see the text. Because the text there, I gonna make everybody say, yo, alright then, that a fucker. Or you gotta text your brethren and say, yo, oh, yo, Ray. No, brother, rubbish that, brother, rubbish that. The fact that you have that in your mind, the fact that you have that in your mind, it shows say you're a lone ranger, and nothing wrong with that. Cause me tell you, I won't heap a comedian in Atlanta. I mean, I run up behind no man, but me not go create no, you know what I mean? No uncomfortable work environment. Whenever we link up, it's a joy. I'm not going to purposely create no negative work environment because that's why the man not really too gain energy when you're stepping at the bus if him was telling the truth about the text. If he was telling the truth about the text. But let's continue.
Working thing you mean, but I know him a pre like that. Zane? So, me basically get put in a room with some other comedians, you know? But now, if I watch the show, because I don't want them to say I disclose no information about the show. From when I watch it, I know who. Zane, and me I talk up to them as friend. Zane, and you yourself, you find yourself in a room with somebody where you do not know. Because I know me pick a room them, you know. You find a room with, you know, I'm gonna say this, but it might sound gay. It not gonna
bro, we grown,
this
bro.
Is how it was, so you're gonna find a room with the next man. Zane, because me I charge it. And you go, somebody where you do not know people for sure all this boy mess up and I say me a part with new link. From it dep on this show.
Yeah, but what the link where did I par with?
Yeah?
What the link where did I par with?
The said man I mean you hear me say World Dog Dino, Swiss and Val. The whole of we in one room, I bounce it. So what you want for them? Not talk to the man them?
But them put you in a room with them.
Exactly.
Yeah. That I got mess up. If me and 3 other man or 4 other man in our room, bro, it like, why not deal with the man them? Why not deal with the man them when me and the man them not have nothing? I mean, it's a competition, but you have to remember, we are still one. We are still Jamaican comedian. And if me now go talk to the man them where am I roommate them, the thing name roommate, we don't live together. You can't want to create no negative energy with the people them you're living with. You ever live in one house with some people yet and deal with them are the most uncomfortable thing ever, especially when you meet up in a kitchen. Are the most uncomfortable. It just drain the energy. So you can't fault Arjay and I say, yo, Ray, bro. But Arjay, as my say, brother, we want to see the text. Right now, we just go off of your word. We want to see the text, Arjay. Make us see the text. Let's continue.
I talk about me and switch link just because them put me in a room and them have to associate myself with them. Actually, don't get me wrong, I rate the man them, but by the end of the day, you can't say me and switch link, brother. You can't do that because when we reach further down in the story time, we're not going to hear why I say that now. So, after that now, the man say me and switch link. Yeah, the man say me a switch link. The man say me basically a switch link. Where are the bro got me a do a story too?
Therefore, go on.
The man say me a switch link. So let me show you this now. You are part with 2 other brothers. We don't know them from Adams. You know Hot Dog from Adams, and you don't know Killer Miller from Adams. You just talk to them over the phone. Me where you work with, where you flex with it. You're part with them for majority of the time for the show and not me. A matter of fact, them devil in your group, bad man. You're in a Black Maroons, bad man. You're part with me. You're supposed to be in a group with me, Lexi, Valo, Killer. Brother, I are up and down with me. Not actually, I say nothing wrong with the man them, you know. Because I'm a charge them. You see it, but no, don't come over here, come talk about my switch link, bad man, and me a part with other man. No, brother, that's fuck up you would. You basically make it seem like, say, me an opportunist dog. Don't do that, bro, God. I fuck you that you do, man. I tell you that straight. Next thing now, people, the whole time I dep on the show, yeah, this youth I keep him distance from me. I push up myself now, because by the end of the day, yeah, I'm a friend. But when I realize, say, him set a boundary, him draw a line with me, I say, alright, I stop push up in him. So, this summer, alright, come here, what else I'm saying now?
Subliminally I try this me, I style me, but really and truly, them can't style me. Arjay them a style because I'm a girl clown for real. So
girl clown, bumbo clown. Alright people, my 3-star decide on me.
My thing was a Glock, bro.
Yeah, everything. Quite. So this is the girl when say me a girl clown too. Sure. Me up on the show, all I know say me and I like Batty and Bench. So me carry that movie.
What the Batty, bro? Me and
yeah,
Bench?
We're not going at that. We're not going at that. You're not seeing me not seeing people. Sure. But carry she got movie. You and me and you basically everybody know we together. So why you expect me to move wide from, or why people expect me to move wide from her? Zinka, by the end of the day, me carry go explain, yeah, you own big man, but you kind of responsibility, so me have to make you say good.
Correct. That is not a girl clown thing. You're there with me, I have to make sure you govern. Especially when I'm living in a house with 10,000 man. What the fuck you expect me to do? Sit down and rub crutches with some man? No. I'm going to make sure my booby is okay. I'm going to make sure my booby is by my side. And when time we go, you know what I mean? When time I'm a little nanny, we're going to ride. You understand? Girl clown thing, and someone see what make me compliment the girl, and the girl named Zoe. Somebody I got comment, Negus is simping over Zoe. So complimenting a girl is now considered simping? What going to somebody mute here? What's going on with somebody? Complimenting a girl is now considered simping. So the man carrying booby with him now, him a girl clown. How is that girl clown behavior? I would bring my girl to if me can, if me I live in a house with 10,000 man and I want a 2 girl alone in a competition, I don't know, or 3 girl. I don't know even how much you know female that about a beer balls that I bought about 10 million balls in the house. I can bring my girl to. Go continue, RJ.
So, yeah, I said me a girl clown. People, the first day this brother see she said them start put talk to her. I say, yo, watch you know, I want you for roll with me, I want you for flex with me, I want you for...
It's a win-win.
Is a brother. Hey, him come, I fling one bag of talk in a fear, hey, come join this, come join that, come tattoo this, come tattoo that.
Tattoo clan.
Tattoo clan for your name, hear me saying you. And this is the next thing, hear me say people, to me, Tavii, don't get me wrong. I rate the man as a comedian, but he have certain mentality I can't work with. And this is the reason why no leave like bad going to that yet. To show you how this man fuck up. To show you how this brother fuck up. The whole world dog situation. As much as me and this brother not talking, when you want world dog have your first encounter, I draw you to one side, I draw you in one car and say, brother, watching the brother man. Stop make world dog drag you out. Stop go like you know a rascal sense. Stop make a man. Stop making words them get in your head. Zine? Cause this is the thing with people. So when they realize you can't take pressure, them take set by you.
Pressure you more.
Zine? And when they realize that you specifically can't take pressure, and that's why the man them out. I'm not gonna say out for you, cause I'm not gonna say no man out for no man. As how you say a man out for you and them sitting there, no brother, they can't put things like that, bad man.
I'll pause that real quick. Yeah, I'm telling you this. But I agree with that. If you know a man can't take pressure, bro, you leave him alone, bro. Unless he's being a troublemaker. But if you know somebody can't take pressure, bro, leave them alone. Stop trying to be an asshole, brother. You understand? If somebody cannot take pressure, leave them alone. Come on, man.
The man a joke around with you, you a take it up serious.
Yeah, me never think it that serious. Even like when the whole fight started, me just feel like Worley just kind of have a jovial personality. So if you take it serious, and if you go on like you're too tough and them thing there, you might go just...
Anyways, hear me and say people. For sure your other brother sick in your head. As much as me in a deal, you tell my female, say watch you know. Do not, watching them now, power with that you out there. And to make it worse, the man a try make me feel that way. What him do? What him do again? Him a Josh.
Yeah, like when we are coming at the house together, like him a try.
Him sim, alright, people, we're not cut your beat, but watch you know, see the house here. When I tell them in just one day by himself, I'm there way over here up on a chair in the grass. Him see me way over there, so she just am to come beside him. And what him do for make me kind of feel that way. He might try to push up himself and she might try to jar close. Because there's something else upon them, you know. But I never dare to pre now, you see. Because by the end of the day, I know she have her head upon her body, so I'm not feel worried about certain shit.
Like to me, I think say if Tavii was being a good friend to Arjay, like he wouldn't do certain things behind him back. You get only I try to say.
Boom, so I cut the video right there so because it's a 30-minute video, you see me? But yeah, I don't like that. The part that Tavii try that stunt that Tavii try to pull while ago, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Wrong bang there, so you understand? Wrong bang. You can't move certain way and flex certain way, knowing so yo, this is my youth, the female. You see me? I don't like that. But here I say no. I continue and do, you know, just like I'm gonna split Tavii life, I'm gonna split this too. You see me? I'm gonna post the original video link in the description so you can go scrutinize for yourself and come to one conclusion. You see me? But as me I say, this right there, so the last part where Tavii stunt to Tavii try to pull me like that. You understand? You don't know say one nation and Imara nation. It's not the podcast. Blessings and honor. Make sure you like, comment, share, hit the notification bell, subscribe, everything what you need for do. You understand? Welcome to the family for the new viewers. You don't know the things that when the king say. You understand? Up move.